Son, I tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. It had tacks in it, and boards torn up, and splinters, and places on the floor where there ain't been no carpet. Bare. But eyes are still climbing. Eyes are still climbing and turning corners and reaching landings and being places where I couldn't go. But I'll tell you, don't you ever give up. Don't you ever sit on the stair because you find it kind of hard. I'm still going. Son, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. Mom, I'll tell you, I know life for you ain't been no crystal stair, but for me it was. You removed the tacks, you removed the splinters, and you carpeted the floor soft so I can sit. Mom, I promise you, I'll never turn back. I'll never sit on the stair because I think it's kind of hard. Mom, I'll climb landings you didn't because you climbed it before me. I'll turn the corners you didn't because you made the corners easier. I know, Mom, life for you wasn't crystal clear, but for me it was because you sowed it so I can harvest it. Thank you.
Amen.